Hey folks, thanks for swinging by the Safety Solutions Academy YouTube channel. Here we're in the SHOT Show new product area, and Afton Arms has a display, and on display.
Not allowed any cameras or anything.
So I'm broadcast press, sir.
Right, yeah, we're still not allowed in this new product world.
I'm sorry, the new product room, there's no videotaping?
No videos or anything, just because of the patents on some of the products in there.
Okay.
It's good to see.
So I can walk down to Afton Arms and videotape the same gun and the same.
Outside of this area, it may be for the company. They may have the same product down there, but just in general, we're not allowed any videotape for security reasons in this one. I apologize.